The year is 2025, a year that will be etched into the annals of history. Astronomers around the world are glued to their telescopes, their eyes scanning the heavens with an intensity never seen before. Their faces are etched with a mixture of awe and terror, a reflection of the monumental discovery they have made. A newly discovered comet, a celestial interloper from the depths of our solar system, is hurtling towards Earth at an alarming speed. Its trajectory is precise, its target undeniable. The calculations leave no room for error. Our planet sits squarely in its crosshairs, a cosmic bullseye. This isn't just another asteroid, a relatively small rocky body that occasionally whizzes past our planet. This is a comet, a behemoth of ice and dust, a relic from the birth of our solar system, carrying with it the secrets of the cosmos. And it's on a collision course with our pale blue dot, our home, threatening to bring about unprecedented destruction. The world holds its breath. The countdown has begun. People everywhere are glued to their screens, watching the news in suspense. The very same objects that once seeded Earth with water and the building blocks of life now threaten to obliterate it. The irony is not lost on anyone. The irony is as chilling as the impending impact itself. As the comet draws closer, the world can only wait and hope for a miracle. If the comet strikes, the impact would release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs, creating shockwaves that could flatten cities and ignite global wildfires. The collision would likely trigger massive tsunamis, devastating coastal regions and causing widespread flooding. The impact would throw up vast amounts of debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging the Earth into a nuclear winter. This drastic drop in temperature could lead to agricultural collapse, threatening food supplies and causing mass extinctions. As the comet draws closer, the world can only wait and hope for a miracle. Comets, often called dirty snowballs, are cosmic wanderers. They're composed of ice, dust and rock, remnants from the formation of our solar system billions of years ago. Most reside in the distant Oort cloud, a vast sphere of icy bodies far beyond Pluto's orbit. These cosmic time capsules hold clues to the early solar system, pristine remnants of a bygone era. Some comets also originate from the Kuiper belt, a region of icy bodies just beyond Neptune. But their beauty belies a hidden danger. Their orbits are unpredictable, influenced by the gravitational pull of planets and stars. And sometimes their cosmic wanderlust brings them dangerously close to Earth. Unlike planets, which follow predictable elliptical paths around the Sun, comets are wildcards. Their orbits are eccentric, often highly elongated. A slight gravitational nudge can send them careening off in unexpected directions. Adding to their unpredictability is their speed. As they approach the Sun, the heat vaporizes the ice, creating a glowing coma and a tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. This process acts like a rocket engine, propelling the comet at incredible speeds. A comet on a collision course with Earth would be a cosmic cannonball, traveling at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. The impact would unleash catastrophic energy, posing a significant threat to our planet. The moment of impact would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The energy unleashed would dwarf thousands of nuclear bombs detonating in unison. A searing flash would tear through the sky, followed by a shockwave that would shatter the very crust of the Earth. Colossal firestorms would ravage entire continents, ignited by the infernal heat of the impact. The air would become a furnace, making every breath a struggle for survival. Dust and debris would be catapulted into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun and casting the world into an eternal night. Yet the true horror was only beginning. Faced with such a dire threat, humanity would mobilize all its resources to avert disaster. Governments, private organizations, and international coalitions would come together, pooling their knowledge, technology, and manpower. The urgency of the situation would transcend borders and politics, uniting the world in a common cause. Scientists and engineers would work tirelessly, exploring every possible option to deflect or destroy the comet. They would delve into theoretical physics, advanced engineering, and even unconventional methods, leaving no stone unturned. The race against time would push the boundaries of human ingenuity and resilience. One potential method involves using nuclear weapons to alter the comet's trajectory. However, this approach is fraught with risks. The immense energy released could fragment the comet, creating a swarm of smaller yet still dangerous projectiles. While a well-placed nuclear detonation could nudge the comet off course, it could also shatter it into multiple smaller projectiles, each still capable of wreaking havoc. The potential for widespread destruction would remain, albeit in a different form. Another method under consideration is using lasers to vaporize the comet's surface. This technique involves focusing intense beams of energy on the comet, causing parts of it to vaporize and creating a thrust that could alter its path. Attaching solar sails to the comet is another innovative idea. Solar sails harness the sun's energy, using the constant pressure of sunlight to gradually change the comet's trajectory. However, this approach demands significant advancements in technology and precise execution. Time we might not have. The clock would be ticking, and every second would count. The pressure to find a viable solution would be immense, with the fate of the planet hanging in the balance. The world would watch and wait, hoping for a miracle. In the aftermath of the impact, the world would be unrecognizable. The once familiar continents would be reshaped, the oceans in turmoil. A thick blanket of dust would block out the sun, causing temperatures to plummet, ushering in a new ice age. Survival would be a daily struggle. Food and water would be scarce, and the air would be thick with toxic dust. To survive, people would need to seek shelter in underground bunkers or fortified structures. Stockpiling food and water and having access to purification systems would be crucial. Only the most adaptable and resilient species would stand a chance of survival. But even in the face of such devastation, the human spirit, that indomitable force, might find a way to endure. The key to overcoming such a cosmic challenge lies in early detection. The sooner we identify a potentially hazardous comet, the more time we have to prepare and potentially deflect it. Space agencies around the world are actively scanning the skies, searching for near-Earth objects, including comets. But even with our best telescopes, we are still vulnerable to those lurking in the darkness, hidden from our view. Our resilience hinges on our ability to improve our detection capabilities and to develop new technologies that can spot these celestial threats from afar. Humanity's ingenuity and determination will be our guiding light. The vastness of the cosmos is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. It stretches beyond our wildest imaginations, a seemingly infinite expanse filled with countless stars, planets and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It holds the secrets to our origins, the answers to our deepest questions. How did we come to be? Are we alone in this vast universe, or is there other intelligent life out there pondering the same questions? But it also harbours dangers, threats that could extinguish the flame of life on Earth in an instant. Supernovae, gamma-ray bursts, and rogue asteroids are just a few of the cosmic events that could pose a threat to our existence. The possibility of a comet impact serves as a stark reminder of our place in the universe. It is a humbling thought, knowing that our entire civilization could be wiped out by a single cosmic event. We are but a small, fragile species living on a small, fragile planet. Our home, Earth, is a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, a delicate blue dot suspended in the vastness of space. Our existence is precarious, a delicate balance between fortune and cosmic happenstance. The thin atmosphere that protects us, the magnetic field that shields us from harmful radiation, all these factors contribute to our survival. Yet it is this very precariousness, this understanding of our own mortality, that makes life so precious, so worth fighting for. Every moment, every connection, every experience becomes more meaningful when we realize how fleeting and fragile our existence truly is. We must continue to explore, to learn, to push the boundaries of our knowledge. The pursuit of understanding, the quest to uncover the mysteries of the universe, is what drives us forward as a species. For in doing so, we increase our chances of survival and ensure that the light of consciousness continues to shine in this vast and wondrous universe. Our journey into the cosmos is not just about survival, but about thriving, about expanding our horizons and embracing the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The universe is a boundless frontier, teeming with potential for future discoveries. As we venture further into the unknown, we unlock new realms of knowledge and understanding, paving the way for generations to come. Together, as a united species, we can explore the cosmos, unravel its mysteries, and perhaps one day find our place among the stars. The future is vast, and the possibilities are endless.